The first time that you sign into Screen-Cast-O-Matic, you're going to want to log in to ensure that you're utilizing the premium account set up by San Ramon Valley Unified School District. So click on Login and click on Sign In with Google. Once you do this, it should set up your account with the premium access. You can check on your access by clicking on your profile in the top right-hand corner and confirming that it says that you are a part of the San Ramon Unified. If you don't have that setting, then we need to make sure that you do, because that's how you get unlimited premium support. Now what you can see here is all of the videos that people in the district are publicly posting. Also, you're going to have your own video editor space, so you can click on that little editor space and record whenever you need to, or edit any projects that you have from the web browser in that space. But more importantly, when you first set everything up, you're going to want to click on Launch Recorder. The first time you do this, it's going to take you through some steps to install a recorder onto your web browser, and that's how you will record from Screen-Cast-O-Matic. Once you're done setting that up, then you'll be ready to integrate this into Schoology as well.